Hello friend, welcome to NGO Advisory Services. Today I will discuss about the 12A registration and ATG registration. What are the documents required for this? Why should any organizations get this certificate, and what will be the benefits of getting both 12A registration and ATG registration in the point of view of charitable organizations? First of all, we must understand what is 12A registration and then ATG registration. First of all, 12A registration means 12A certificate is an income tax certificate which enables charitable organizations, registered society, non-profit organizations and other organizations to claim income tax exemption from paying tax, which allows under section 11 and 12 of the Income Tax Act. So these are the 12A benefits. So simple word may in simply we can say that 12A registration certificate is a certificate which helps charitable organizations to claim income tax exemptions in respect of paying tax, which helps under section 11 and 12 of the Income Tax Act. Now question arises, what will be the benefit of getting 12A registration? Definitely it has certain advantages for charitable organizations. First of all, exemption from paying income tax. This is the one benefits, and second benefit is eligible for receiving the government grants and other projects, and third eligible for ATG registration. Now point comes, what is the ATG registration? ATG registration means ATG certificate is a donation exemption certificate which allows the donors to claim income tax deductions if they have donated to the charitable organizations which have ATG certificate. So these are ATG certifications. If any organizations have ATG certificate, then they can claim or they can pass the benefits of income tax to the donors. So any donors, be it a company or be it a partnership firm, be it a LLP or proprietorship or individual, if anyone has donated to the charitable organizations, and if they have donated to the financial year, then they can claim the income tax deductions for the amount what they have donated to that organizations. What will happen if the charitable organization doesn't have any ATG certificate? Definitely, whatever the donation as a charitable organization you receive, you cannot pass any benefits to the donor taxpayer. So, if you want to raise the funds to running your social charitable activities, you must have ATG certifications, which will help you to attract the donations from individuals, from company, from partnership, from LLP, and also from other charitable organizations. What is the benefit of having ATG registration? Number one benefit is that you can pass the income tax deductions to the donor. Number one, you can receive the donations, and because the persons who have donated you in your charitable organizations, they can claim the income tax deductions. And second, you can also apply for CSR project, CSR funding, and apart from this, it's easy to receive from other organizations, or you can also do your social activities with partnership of any big NGO. So these are the benefits of ATG registration. Now question arises, what are the documents required for both 12A and ATG registration? If you have a trust, charitable trust, then documents will be trust deed, trust PAN card, members Aadhaar card, PAN card, mail ID, mobile number, audit report, and the authorized person name. One more thing, the authorized person Aadhaar card must be updated with the current mobile number. So these are the documents required, and also income tax password required for applying the 12A certificate as well as ATG certificate in case of charitable trust. If you have a society, then the documents required will be, the registration certificate, the bylaws, the board of governing body of members, Aadhaar card, PAN card, mail ID, mobile number, audit report, income tax password, authorized person name, and authorized person must be Aadhaar card must be updated with current mobile number. These are the documents required. In case of Section 8 company, registration certificate of incorporation, memorandum of association, articles of association, board of directors KYC, and audit report, and authorized person name. And apart from this, we should have a simple resolution for applying 12A and ATG certificate. Who can sign on the application 12A ATG? Any director, any chairman, trustee, or the president, secretary, anyone can do this. Now question rises, if the organization is less than 1 year, it means they don't have any audit report. Can they apply for 12A and ATG certifications? Yes, still they can apply for 12A and ATG certifications. So all these organizations, be it a trust, be it a society, be it a Section 8 company, or earlier it's a Section 25 company, all these companies, NGO, charitable organizations, non-profit organizations are eligible for applying the 12A and ATG certificate, and these are the documents required at the time of applying. Now question arises, for how many years is the validity for getting the 12A and ATG registration? First of all, when you apply for 12A certificate and ATG certificate, it's the first time, it's a provisional, and validity is for 3 years. So first time, when you apply for 12A ATG registration, you cannot get a permanent number, or you cannot get a confirmed registration. So first time there will be provisional registration, and the validity of that will be 3 years. Now question arises, can any organization apply for 12A ATG certificate anytime during the years, financial years? Of course, they can apply 12A and ATG certifications anytime during the financial year. So it's not any due date to apply. It's up to you, the organization's person's decision to apply for that. If any charitable organization doesn't wish to get the 12A ATG registration, it's not a mandatory. So, and for any certification registration, there are certain advantages. If the charitable organizations want to get that benefits, then they must get the 12A certifications registration and ATG registration certificate. These are the details that's required. Hope you have understood all the requirements regarding 12A and ATG registrations. If you have any query or suggestions, or if you want to ask any questions regarding your charitable organizations, you can drop the mail, you can connect me on my WhatsApp, or you can call me, whatever you wish. And if you have any suggestions, you can also give me the suggestions. If anything, suggestions are most welcome. Thank you for watching this.